In today's video, we are mainly going to see about a video editing application that is known as InShot. You can download InShot application from Google Play Store very easily. You can see the icon over here. Just by typing InShot, you can download the application from Google Play Store. Now let us see the video editing features of InShot application. When you are opening the application, we can see three different icons. First one is mainly used for the video editing purpose. Second one is for the photo editing purpose, and a collage is mainly the icon itself is showing for making different collage. So now today's video we are going to discuss about the video editing. Once we are clicking over the video, the icon is coming over here new. If you are clicking over the new or on the plus, it will be directly taken to the video section of your mobile. So I am selecting two videos from here. If you want only one, we can select one. If you want to select two, we can select two. By giving upon the click over here on the tick, we are coming to the video frame. The first icon, that is on canvas. The canvas we can see if you are going to the left side, it will be coming to the left side. If you are clicking upon the right, it will be going to the right. And just by clicking upon that one, we can take it that one to the center. Now lot of frames are given over here down if you are seeing. So symbols also are provided over there. Instagram or the YouTube or TikTok, different ratios also are provided. Now we are selecting this video mainly for the YouTube purpose. So we are clicking upon the YouTube label. Now we can see it is not upon the frame. It's not appropriate for the screen. So we can enlarge it by clicking over here. Just by clicking upon the tick, it will be coming to the frame, just a frame. So it is already fixed up. Earlier the screen ratio was different from this. That's all about the canvas. Now we are going to the second section, that is all about the music. The music we are seeing the three labels. First one is track, second one is effect, third one is record. Just by clicking upon the track, whatever already provided by the InShot, all those tracks are provided over here. If you want to select any one of this one, we can select it from here. Otherwise, my music. Under the my music caption, all the music or recording whatever we have done in our mobile, that will be shown over there. If you are clicking upon open from, if you are clicking over there, it will be directly taken to the inside. Whatever things are provided in your mobile, that will be given. Even from the inside the mobile also we can select recent download, everything is provided over there. Next one is effects. In the effects section, different effects are there. Suppose bell effect is there or instruments are there. So if you want to take any of the sounds from here, we can easily take. In my music, we are having one more feature, that if you are just clicking upon one of this one, they are showing, they will be playing that music, and if you are clicking on the use button only, it will be selected over there. Suppose now I am going to click upon the use button, then it is already came over here. So if I want to edit this music from here, I can easily edit it from here. Now I am having edit option is there. Then split, if I want to split, and balance part if I want to delete, I can delete it from here. And again I have to select this one in order to continue with the editing. Now again volume, okay, already 100 volume is there. If I want to increase the volume, I can increase it by clicking upon the duplicate. I can make again same track of the first. I can make any number of duplicate with that one. So I can just select it and make it down and joining with that one, so that it will be getting a continuation over there. We are again, if you want to undo that one, the symbol is provided over there with that one. I can undo now. Now final one is a record. Now for this video, I have to provide my own commentary. In that case, by just clicking upon the record, the timing counting will be provided over there. With that counting, I can give my own voice to this video. Just a commentary I can provide to that one, and I can save it over there. Again we are getting it back. I am not going to save that one, so into I am clicking and I am coming. Now we are having a tick over here. By clicking upon this one, we will be selecting this one and it will be saved over there. And before that one, before saving that one, if you want to play and see, we can play the video and see how it is working out. Getting back, third set is, that is all about the stickers. If you are clicking upon the sticker, we are having the different stickers already provided over here. Or if I want something from the GIF, GIF files are provided. So many GIF files are there. If I want to select anyone, I can easily select that one. If I want to full screen, I can arrange according to that one. If I don't want to full screen, I can arrange according to any side. If I want to keep that one, I can keep it over there. Again, one flip option is provided. Any of the sticker, this flip option is there. By clicking upon that one, I can flip it. It is left to right. I can turn it and make it as a flip. The sticker. If I am typing upon birthday, you can see so many of the stickers are coming with the birthday, and all these are the video frames only. I can use this one over there for my purpose, and by accessing that one coming back, I can arrange from where to where I want. I can arrange it over here very easily. I can arrange it from where, whatever the place I want, I can use it over there for that purpose. Now I want it till here only, so I am just splitting it and deleting balance part. So now saving is done. So it is all about the stickers. Now we are having the next option, that is all about the text. And typing over here Sunday, so all the frame came over there. So if I want to change the color background of that one, I can give any color. You can see over down here, text, border, shadow, label, opacity. So different options are provided. So whatever color I wish for that one, I can provide. Now I am going with the black background, and the border I can change into white. Then shadow, arrangement of the shadow, whatever maybe left, right or left, whatever maybe up and down, both are provided over there. Whatever way we want, we can arrange that one. And if you want to off the shadow, I can off it over there. No shadow will be coming. Now labeling can be done, because if I want to highlight that point, I can easily give a label over there. Then finally opacity is provided. Down we can see it is 100%, and opacity I can make it down so that it will be just like a watermark. It will be shown. If I am giving 100, it will be shown in a good manner. Next one is text is coming over here. So text, different styles are provided. Whatever style I want, I can select it and I can give over here. And next one is alignment. You can see over here the zooming in and out anyway, so distancing of that one. So all these type, if I am having a second step of that one, the distance can be arranged with this one. And next option is looping options. It is I want to make it a small one. Now if I want to make it as a small moving one, I can frame it over there. Then timing is provided above. If I am decreasing the time, it will be going slow. If I am increasing the time, it will be doing fast. Anyway we can arrange it, and different levels of things are there. Whatever we wish, we can use according to that one. Any of this, whatever is suiting for the video, we can make use of. Next one is a filters. So in the filters, different effects are there. Majority of the effects are pro motion only, so it may not be available for us. You can see unlock all the features. Ensure to pro, if you are subscribing only, we will be getting certain things are there, which is suppose if I am going to celebrate first one, okay, different color is coming over there, color fades are there. So if I want, I can use it. Is a free of only, no pro version. So value is provided. If I want to fast, once playing, the color will be changing very fast. If I am giving very slow, the color motions will be changing very slowly. That value we can give. That's also already saved. So from where to where we want this motion, that we can arrange accordingly. Earlier the sticker we have arranged, and for everything it is same only, we can arrange. And if you want to edit or split according to that one, we can make it. Again we are having the pre-cut motion. That is, if I want to take out some part, or if I want to delete some, I can do that one. If I want all the part, I can say, and if I want to cut, that is from the beginning we have seen. Again cut motion is there, or split. All these options are there. We can trim, cut or split from here. That is given this option. Again we are going to the split option. That is, if I am clicking upon the split, if I am going with the video till here I want, I can split it. And afterwards, after this place I want to again remove the between part, I can split it over here. Select this between button, then I can remove. By clicking upon the delete, I can remove that option. So that's all about that one. Now we are going with the background. Once we are selecting the background, it's according to the ratio. If it is a small video, if the places is like this, it's becoming, I have made it small. Now just by touching upon that one we can make. Now what kind of background we want, the continuation of that one or blurred one. Okay, we can blur the background accordingly, or we can give the same picture behind. Or if you want to select the picture from your own mobile, the option is provided of the picture. If you are clicking, it will be just taking you to the pictures whatever saved in your mobile. Again, color, if you want to give any color, okay, different colors we can provide, or gradient colors, mixed colors if you want to provide, that's also available over here. Mixed color we can give, or a pattern, different patterns are there. Any pattern if you are preferring, we can give those pattern. So whatever we are providing, after selecting we may give upon tick, then it will be saved. And if you want to undo that one, we can undo and come back. Again, speed. If I want to increase the speed of this video, I can increase it. It will be getting very fast. If I want slow motion purpose, I can do it that one. Now if I am going very slowly, then the video appearing also will be very slowly, very slow motion. The things will be taking place. It will be framing. If you are giving upon a tick, upon this tick, it will be slowly framed out. Again, we are going to the next option, that is cropping the video. It's one of the major feature. Suppose if I am going with my second video, whatever I have taken over here, already a watermark is provided like Amazing Land. Okay, I have to remove that one. Then just by cropping that part, I can remove that one. That watermark will be removed. Volume button. So I have already shown you. If you want to increase the volume, we can increase the volume. In order to extract audio from video, just click upon the video, then just click upon the volume button, then extract audio is coming. Just click upon that one, then the audio and video is extracted from that one. If I want to avoid the audio of that one, just select that, then just delete that one. And whatever video, if I want to record the option, recording option is provided, I can record the voice and provide over there very easily. Now again, reverse option is provided. Duplication, I already told you, we can make a different duplication of the video. Reverse option is provided. One video we can do the reverse. Okay, from the last to first. If you want to provide, we can use the reverse button. Again, rotate. If you want to rotate the video, I can easily rotate the video according to my preference. Again, flip option is there. I already told, one place left and right. If you want to do the flipping of that one, we can easily do the flipping of the video one place to another. Last option is all about the freeze the video. In the freezing option, suppose if a video is running, we can see over here the video is shown over here, and I want to stop this one over here and I want to explain something, then I can click upon freeze option. Then it will be freezed over there. Then we can see that much part is still without moving. Then again continuing video with that. So there I can give my explanation. So all these are the major features of InShot application we have seen, from canvas till freezing. One more major step I want to tell you is about the plus option. The plus option is provided after this video. If I want to add one more video, or between this one I want to include one more video, then I can provide over the undo button. Here blank is provided. If I am clicking upon blank, a blank page will be coming. If I want to write something over there, I can easily write. Or video photo, if I want to select a video, I can select the video. If I want to select a photo, I can select the photo from here and I can add over here. That's also very easily I can do. By clicking upon this photo, I can make the cropping of that one, whatever place I want. Then we can do the editing upon that also. So all these are the major things related with the InShot video. If you want to remove the InShot icon, that is a watermark provided over here, just click upon that one. Then 3 options will be coming. By clicking over the free remove, one ad will be coming over there, and if you are watching the ad, the watermark will be automatically removed from your video. So above here we can see the save button. Under the save we are having a resolutions are provided, so whatever resolution we wish, so estimated size also will be given there down. So whatever resolution we like, we can select that one and then we can click upon the save button. Then automatically the ad will be coming. After watching, while the ad is going on, that time itself the saving of the video, producing of the video will be going on. So once the ad timing, the seconds are over, just by clicking upon the undo button, we will be coming back to the producing page. After producing the video, we are having several options to share it with WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, wherever we want. We can directly share from here, and we are having a back button over here. So if you are clicking upon that one, we will be again coming back to the same page of editing. So here again we are having a back button once again given over here. By clicking upon that one, draft, discard, two options are coming. If you are keeping upon draft, that will be, you can again use the same video in future for the editing if you want. And if you are clicking upon the discard button, it will be deleted permanently. If you are having any doubt regarding the InShot video editing application, kindly comment your doubts so that the clarifications will be provided in the upcoming videos.